I am Neeta Sharma from PM Expert, and today we will learn how to write test scenarios using Gherkin syntax in behavior-driven development. What is Gherkin? Gherkin is a plain language syntax that uses a small set of keywords to describe software behavior in a human-readable form. It bridges the gap between business stakeholders and developers. The core keywords are feature, scenario, given, when, then, and but. Structure of a Gherkin file. Feature lines describe the high-level capability. Each scenario captures one concrete example. Inside a scenario, we use given to set context, when to perform an action, and then to assert the expected outcome. Let us write a feature for a login page. Start with a short one-line summary, and optionally a narrative using in order to, as a, and I want. We will use a clear title and supportive narrative lines. Now write a scenario using given, when, and then. Given sets the precondition. When performs the action. Then states the expected result. We will add an and to chain extra details. Think of given as the context, when as a user action, and then as the verification. Let us add two more scenarios. One for an invalid password, and one for a locked account after multiple failed attempts. First, invalid password shows an error message. Second, after 3 failed attempts, a valid login should be blocked and display that the account is locked. Best practices when writing Gherkin. Use clear domain language. Keep each scenario focused on a single behavior. Avoid technical implementation details. And reuse given steps when possible. That is how to write clear, maintainable test scenarios in Gherkin for behavior-driven development. I am Neeta Sharma from PM Expert. Thank you for watching and happy testing.